Hello, welcome back to LearnAnyone channel. So let's start. So today basically we will discuss what is basically SAP Business Objects or BI Platform Launchpad. So this BI Launchpad is used to end user. If you have a report either in BO or in other tool, okay, so Launchpad is used to display the data, okay, through this tool. So we'll see how basically we can check the report using BI Launchpad. So this tool is very useful for the end user. So let's come. So you can see the desktop, you will see here we will have a icon like Business Objects BI Platform Launchpad. If you double click on this, you will open this BI Launchpad, SAP BI Launchpad. So here you have to give the like server detail, okay, then user ID and password. So I'm giving and click sign in. So once you correct given the detail, you will be available here. See, it is a successful connected with your BI basically Launchpad. So in this Launchpad, you will see different options are available like home, favorite. So whatever the data basically store over here or save under favorite, you will be display here, and whatever the recent data you will or report you will display, it would be available here. Similarly, recent run, if you done, you will display here, and applications, and these are the applications basically available or support by the Launchpad like Bex, Web Intelligence, Crystal Report, BI Workspace, and Information Stepward. So these are the applications supported, okay, or you can extract the data or you can display the data using a BI Launchpad, okay, and these are the tile basically, right? So now come to the home, and under home you will have multiple options here, like if you have deleted any report, it would be here in the recycling bin. If you have any current instance, it would be displayed here. And if in case any data like transfer from one user to another user, it could be available under the your inbox. Similarly, the documentation, if you have saved some documentations, it would be available here, and some category are also there. If you have a which category, if you have defined, that would be available here. And now we will go for the which is important, that is a folder. If you click the folder, where you will see like two kind of folder, either personal folder or public folder, okay. So personal folder, that means whatever the report you have saved on your personal folder, okay, or personal user ID, that could not be displayed or checked or accessed by the other users, right? That is the one thing. Another thing, like public means can accesses by the different user. If any report you keep under public folder, that means it can be accessible by the other user. This is a difference basically, like, so these are the basically difference between personal and public. Personal, that means can't access by other user. Public means that is accessed by the another user. So depend upon your requirement, like where you want to keep your report, either personally or you want to access by the all, right? So mostly the report which is for the end user, it would be the public, because we have multiple users, okay, so they are want to check the report at a time or like see any 24/7, so they can have a report under public folder. If you click the public folder, you will see multiple reports are there which is built on web intelligence, right? So web intelligence also is the tool of business objects, right, where you can design the BO reports. So BI Launchpad is used to display the all the reports. We can't design it, yeah, but some reports have the like feature you can edit it. I'll tell you. So let's see simple report. If you go here like prompt or any table, let's see some table. Let's say this report I'm opening, right? If you double click on any report, see it is start opening. Yes, see, this is the report which is already built, and the report you can see there is a tab is also there. So, okay, so there is three tabs here. So report first, you will see here year and revenue, year by revenue, okay, and state by margin, like these reports are designed, right? Second reports you can see here year and revenue by margin. So depend upon how you can see the reports, okay. If you want like something, if you want to save this report, there is a here button, you can save it, or you can save in different name as well. Even we have open, if you want to open another report you can. If you want to create some new report also you can create it. Even you can download, if you want to download, right, and export in external system, you can do it. And more options are also there. Directly you can print it, okay, send to short code something about this, right? And here also we have some analyze. If you want to query, you can check here query reset. If you want to refresh all, you can refresh again. So whatever the latest data would be there, it would be refreshed, right? Similarly, come to the analysis here. Under analysis we have multiple things are available. So based on your requirement you can analysis it, like filter something, okay, and analysis it, okay. Similar we have a track changes also available, okay, and the display also available. If you want a big screen, you can see this is like a big screen. Also if you want to bookmark, you can do the bookmark as well, see. So the different features are there, so you can use it as per your requirement, okay. So now let's come back over here. Wait a minute, it is come back. Yeah, it is just, or you can just click on table here again. I'm going to click on table report. So it is still yes, now it came here, right? Now you can see here, okay. Now in the right side you can see there is three options are there, right? You can see now it is a designing mode, right? Now if you, I mean the reading mode. Now if you want a design mode, see, look like design. If you want some changes you can do it. So this is a design mode. Now another is a structure, like how the report look like, see, this is structure mode, okay. And now this is a final called data. So this is basically, usually we have this, see, this is the data, basically how the basically query is built and how it look like this data. So at the end the user does not allow this all these options, but as a developer we can have options, we can see. But as the end user would have only reading the data, whatever the data available here in the report you can read it. We can't do have any changes on this report as an end user. So apart from that we have multiple options over here. So based on your requirement, let's see, if you want to add more field or any data missing over in this report, you can analysis it, right? So you can do your analysis and you can update to the client. So this is how it is working. Apart from that you will have multiple settings. If you want here log out, if you want something setting, let me tell you something here setting. We have a user here, you can see here, and account preference also is there. So these are the basically, I mean the security level, okay, that is not much important, but yes, if you some cases if you required here you can do it, okay. So this is how basically this is, okay. So if it is done, then you can come back and whatever you did, okay, it would be showing over here. Let me again, I'm going to log in over here. So once it is done, yes, so this is how basically we are working, okay. And whatever the recent object you will available here, so this is how basically end user is working. So if in case any questions, please comment, like and share the video as well. So thank you so much, bye.